Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening OneNote and creating a notebook tied to your OneDrive account so changes follow you. Once created, add a section and a page to give structure. This prevents scattered notes later. Make sure sync is on and visible in the top right. That avoids lost edits. Then add a title and a quick bullet list to capture your intent. These first steps let you focus on content rather than hunting for missing pages as you move forward. Now capture your material. Type notes, draw with pen, record audio, or paste screenshots with the web clipper. Once content exists, tag action items and important notes so search and the tag's summary surface them quickly. Use copy or drag and drop to reorder pages and sections. This keeps related items together. Make sure to split long pages into new pages when they grow. By organizing as you go, you reduce friction later and make review sessions fast and productive. Finish by refining content. Use formatting, insert tables, and create internal links to connect pages for quick navigation. Share the notebook or specific pages with collaborators and set proper edit permissions. If something goes wrong, open version history to restore prior content. If sync problems persist, sign out and back in, confirm OneDrive storage, test internet connectivity, and then force a manual sync. These final steps and one troubleshooting tip keep your notes reliable and collaboration smooth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.